Hi everyone. So we are going to see the Metaphor bot here, and we have tried using all the three APIs to create this bot. So let's start it without wasting the time. So the script can be run easily with just by running this Python script, and there are no more dependencies except Metaphor. So first of all, you need to enter the query word. So you can enter anything that gets in your mind. Okay. So these all are the articles that has been shown here, but let's say I want to have some better query. So let's say I want to write blue is red, but green. Okay, so it's like something that is just coming inside my mind. Okay, so it has given me some of the things that this API can find out. So let's go with the eighth one. So whenever you are going to click this, you will be getting the original URL, like the article URL, and it will also try to find out some similar URLs related to that. And so we can open it as of now. So let's open it. But here you can see that there are some similar links from 0 to 5. Please note the 0 is the original one, while 1 to 5 are the similar. So let's say I want to get the HTML code which was present inside this third URL. So you can type here third, and it will just do that in this file. Okay, so it is doing as of now, but let's see this. So this was the content that we have picked using Metaphor API. Okay, so it is still doing it. And yeah, so meanwhile, okay, it is done. So we can go here and we can view that file. So that's what you see, that this was the content which was present inside that HTML code. Okay, so we have just rendered it with the help of .html extension, and clearly this bot is very helpful, and the APIs are written quite robust, in a very robust manner. And definitely, no doubt, every developer can use it to build their project on the top of on the top of their project using these APIs. Correct. And clearly the code has been written in a robust way to illustrate all of the functionalities of the Metaphor APIs. So thanks for listening and watching.